They say the ARGB 92mm fan couldn't be done because no one sold it. I've done it. I figured out a way, and I also put a nice little colorful plate back there. Looks nice. And stay tuned because Bossy, you can do a video. We'll show you how. Hello everybody, welcome to Bossy's video. You can do a video, and today I'm going to review exactly how I got the 92mm ARGB fan for the 30L HP Omen. Basically what I did is that I found a CPU cooler that had a built-in 92mm fan to the cooler, and plus a little RGB plate, which I thought was really cool. We're gonna take it apart. It was only 30 bucks, and if you can see it here, it was called a ID cooling, and it has an ARGB fan and an ARGB plate on top. So it's an SE model 914XT ARGB, and basically we're gonna take this apart, take the fan, take the plate, and we will add it to my Omen 30L exhaust. We're going to take that off and put the ARGB, and plus put the ARGB plate over here. It fits perfectly on the bottom, on the square, on this square area, which will give it a nice look. I originally wanted to put it on top of here, but I think we're going to put it here. Make it quick. When we open the box, you're going to get the fan out, and the fan's going to look like this. It's a CPU cooler. It's pretty cool actually. And I already took it apart, so I just give a quick rundown how I did it. You're gonna pop this black plate off, okay? And there's gonna be 4 screws that's gonna take this plate off, and this is gonna be the plate that was telling you, ARGB plate that's gonna be on the bottom of the exhaust fan. Okay, so we're gonna remove that, and the fan is so easy to remove. You're just gonna pop these clips off on the side. Okay, and the fan's gonna come out, and we're gonna take out the other fan and put this fan in its place, and you can have an ARGB exhaust fan, which is gonna be pretty cool. So you see the 4 holes, and behind this plate, when you take, sorry, I got everything, it's a mess right now. I just want to do it real quick. Behind this plate, if you pop this black plate off with a screwdriver or your nails, if you're using nails, you pop this off, and there's 4 screws located on here. They get unbolted here, and you're gonna set this free, and this is just snaked through this. It'll just come right out. Okay, and ARGB, just so everybody knows, it's a 3-pin RGB setup, which is called Access RGB, and it's basically you control it through a software. Any ARGB software, you just have more options to control the ARGB to sync them better. Okay, and that's it. We're going to take this apart, and we're going to start adding it to the PC. I want to show you how this works. You're going to pop these clips off. Okay, these clips come off like this. The fan just drop, and you're going to take these clips off by sliding them out like this. And it's very hard to do with your no hands available. See, like that. And this is going to go behind there. You're gonna have an ARGB fan. Okay, so I took it comes with a box like this with accessories. You can have extended ARGB cables, okay, and you can have an ARGB controller, which I'm not gonna use. I already have an ARGB controller that I'm gonna be using. Okay, this is the box I took off. That's on top. This is an ARGB box. It lights up really nicely. This is gonna be installed on the bottom. See, it's only a 3-pin, and this is the fan that comes with the power, the fan power, and also the ARGB. And this is the accessories that came for the CPU cooler. It also comes with the thermal paste, which we're really not going to be using. I'm going to put it on the side, and some other stuff. You're going to have a little cool little medallion thing over here. I don't know, we'll probably use it. We'll just decorate it for something. And you have the plate on the bottom, which we're not going to be using. Okay, so let's go to the PC. Again, this is the PC setup that I have, and I already installed a ARGB fan on the bottom for an exhaust, actually an intake. Okay, and I already installed a liquid cooler with the exhaust. Here's my original exhaust that has no ARGB, And this is the plate that I was telling you about. It goes perfectly on the bottom right here. It's pretty cool actually. Perfectly. I'm probably going to double face tape it, double stick it on the side. I'm going to run the wires. And here is the fan that matches the size of this fan. Look at that, perfect. Boom. So it's going to take that Omen fan off and install this fan in its place. That's it. Pretty cool. Move these 4 screws on the back of the PC. Okay, I just have one more screw to remove the original fan in the back. Okay, and then you're going to disconnect it from where are you? Right there. This right there, that plug. And you're going to install the other plug there. Then of course cable management, you're going to have to run it. I'm going to run it from the back down into here and have an auxiliary plug over here for the ARGB. And here's my ARGB controller that came with this. And what's cool about this ARGB controller, I try to communicate this ARGB controller with the lighting controller from the Omen that's located here. I'm sorry, it's blurry. That's located right here. I try to split connect that because technically this is also a USB. It should be a USB, internal USB plug, but I couldn't get it to control. But I noticed there was a few wires that wasn't corresponding with the original pins, so I don't know if I got the right one. I'm gonna try one more time and get a different type of splitter to see maybe if I get this to communicate with the USB controller from down here, and also the lighting hub, because this is connected to the original lighting hub, which is located on the bottom right here. This is the original lighting hub for the Omen PC, for the front fan light, for the top light bar, and for the square light on top. So I tried to see if I could get a connection over here, because this motherboard does not have any internal USB connection. And that's it. I'm gonna get to work and replace that fan. See how it looks. There's the fan. Looks pretty good. Next is all about cable management, which is gonna be last. I'm gonna do that off camera because I need time to think about it. So what I did is I bought tape. It's double face tape. It's a little bit thick, and you just put it on the back of this, which I'm gonna put it over here, and then we're gonna decide about cable management, and we're gonna see how it works out. So hang tight. Okay. So I put the fan on. I put the plate on, the RGB plate. I'm gonna do cable management now. What I did is I ran the fan PWR cable to the plug, and I ran it behind the motherboard. And the other cables, I ran it on top of the screws to the side, to the bottom, on the back of the power block, and they're gonna be landing over here, which I'm gonna connect to this plug over here. So it looked like it actually worked out very well. Now the only thing I have available is the original fan, which I'm going to keep, or I'll just maybe put it next one. But I don't know. I'll figure it out. But other than that, I mean, my PC was cool enough. I just want to just get a little bit of color in here. And yeah, the fan worked out very well. It held out nice, double face taped. This is all going to glow nicely. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, hang tight. Okay, so it's all done. I ran the wires. Like I said, I was gonna run right behind the power block, and it goes in the back, and it gets connected into the existing ARGB auxiliary from the module, and it looks really good. Now I'm just gonna put it all together. Connect it, and then start it up and see how it works. Put all the wires together, and let's start it up and see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. Oh, looks good. Make sure it's blowing out. Yep, it's definitely blowing out. I even put the little ID badge over there. Little cute little touch. Nice. Let's see if this controls. This is the old controller. Yeah, see? Looks good. What do you think?
Good.
Look at that. Sick, right?
Mhm.
Nice. So now you got a nice little ARGB fan in the back.
What's
Beautiful.
that rectangle thing?
This is just it's an ARG box decoration. I thought it was cute to have back there. Just have it decorated. Very nice.
It
Cool.
looks futuristic and more glowing.
Awesome. End product, guys. Looks great.
Bossy.